Whoa, this is actually a lot better than I was expecting. What's going on, y'all? I hope everybody had a great Easter over the weekend. I know it's a little bit late in the week already, but still. And before we go any further, I want to say shout out to Freddie and Sarah because y'all the GOATs. Y'all, I always see y'all on the videos commenting, and I appreciate it a lot. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Chris, and I like to make content around men's clothes, shoes, and grooming products as a whole. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. So without further ado, let's get to the meat and potatoes. This is actually my first time ordering anything from ESNTLS, so this is just the straight up first impressions. I don't even remember what I got. As you can see here, I got 3 different items all in the same color, which is the gray green. I thought it was such a nice color, especially with springtime coming up. It's perfect spring color. So it's like, that's the one, baby. So let's start off with these sport shorts. Say that 3 times fast. Sport shorts. I can't, obviously. Ooh, whoa. This is actually a lot better than I was expecting. All right, and real quick, I just want to talk about this packaging. That's nice. It's clean, it's simple, and it feels premium. Also, I got everything in a medium, if you need to know. I am 5'9", around 160 pounds or so. So that's just to give you a comparison, pretty much. And so, ooh, oh man. Better get that out of here. These sport shirts are really nice. Like, I'm sorry, I am so surprised about this. Don't get me wrong, they weren't the cheapest thing in the box, so I was like, all right. So they kind of lived up to the hype though. Just first impressions, they're really light. It's a reflective material. I don't know what it is exactly. Ooh, even the tags, bro. Like, it is 86% polyester, 14% elastane, 65% magnetic fibers. I'm not sure. Oh, that's the lining. Okay, the lining is 65% magnetic fibers, and then 35% far infrared fibers. Not sure what either of those last 2 mean, but it sounds cool. It's almost like a mesh cotton. And like I said, 14% elastane. If you don't know what elastane is, it's pretty much the stuff that makes your clothes stretchy. And with polyester doesn't shrink or anything like that, so that's probably a really good blend. Yes, I am about to put them all and try them all on in just a second. I want to get through all of them first. Damn. Okay, we got some. Ooh, okay, there's a pocket on here that's hidden. It's really well done. The zipper's a little tiny. I wish it was a little bit bigger. It's so clean, it looks like it's just a seam in the shorts itself. Oh, that's why, because it's along the seam line there. That's really well done. And no, this is not a sponsored video. Although I should get an affiliate link, because I bet you can. I'm gonna do that. Hopefully there'll be an affiliate link in the description by the time I get this video done and uploaded. And we got 2 zipper pockets on the front. If you work out and you go to the gym or you run or anything like that, you know how clutch zipper pockets are. It's got really heavy resistance to it, which is good. There's branding all over the shorts. Okay, let's move on. I'm getting way too obsessed with like critiquing clothes. It's the oversized long sleeve. Right, again, oh wow. Damn, I want to put it on right now. It is definitely oversized. I would think this is a large all day. That's pretty big.
That's what she said.
The gray green, I am so happy I went with the gray green. I just did a New Balance 574 video, and off the top, I'm wishing I had the gray ones. But I think I got an outfit idea already when I look at these, because I got some other shorts that might go great with these. Really thick material. The collar's really thick, so hopefully it doesn't feel like it'll stretch out over time just because of the size of it, which is good. Same thing here. You don't want them to stretch out over time, especially if you pull your sleeves up, you want that extra resistance. You know what, since we're here, it is tagless as well. I don't know what to expect anymore. If you're still putting tags on your stuff and it's not at the bottom, what y'all doing? 97% cotton. Wait a minute, 3% hemp. Hemp! All right, this is dope. Last but not least, drop shoulder tee. This is the one I've been wanting. Oversized boxy tees are the ish right now. Hold up. One thing I was really concerned about, because I live in Texas, was wearing this stuff in the heat. It gets hot down here. To my surprise, I thought this was going to be another heavy cotton shirt, and it's not. It's very stretchy, really breathable material. It's heavy though. It's heavy, but it's breathable. That's a good tag right there. Ooh, tag is stitched on there, for 1. Check. 2, the ESNTLS actual brand logo on there is rubber. Let's just keep it moving. Let me hold this up for y'all. My bad. They're kind of oversized. This is kind of big for a medium. Like did y'all hear me? I said this is kind of big for a medium. There you go. Okay. I was like back on my toes like that for whatever reason. This is just straight up spandex. I thought it was a polyester blend. It's 95% cotton and 5% spandex. Got me on that one. I was way off. I don't know how I was that off, but when you feel it, you gotta tell. All right, you know what else? You know, last but not least, let's go put this stuff on. All right, starting off with the shorts and the shirt, looking real elegant, real nice. You know, about to slide up to the country club and get me a sugar mama or something, because I'm feeling elegant in this. The materials feel great on my body. Everything feels really light, very airy. And put your shirt down. Put your damn shirt down. But the shorts, you see where the shorts sit as well. They sit really nicely and they are super comfortable. They don't pull on my waist a whole lot. And I just like the outfit overall. It's really nice. And whoa, what the f was that? It's really nice. And ooh, get it. Ooh, get it. Ooh, get it. Ooh, get it. Ooh, ooh, that boy killing it. He killing it. Yeah, but as you can see with the gold jewelry on, it looks really, really nice too. It's got an elevated look to it. So I definitely will probably be wearing this stuff a little bit more than I should. Let's shoot over to the long sleeve. All right, so now we're over at the long sleeve. I want to note that the colors are a little tiny off because of the materials are so different from the shorts to the long sleeve, but it's almost unnoticeable. I mean, you got to really look at it to notice, but I really like the long sleeve. The material's soft. It wasn't itchy or anything like that. Just so you know, I don't know if it usually is itchy. Again, it still has that elegant look to it. It's nice with the gold jewelry. It feels good on my body, and the shoulders sit right where I like it. Honestly, I wish they sat. What the hell is that? Oh my god! Somebody come get your man. He out here doing some weird stuff. And yeah, look how big and boxy it is. It's nice. It's comfortable. I can sleep in this shirt if I wanted to, but I'm not. Oh, you thought it was over? Nope. So what I did here was just kind of mix the pieces in with other clothes. So that shirt is just a Dickie shirt I got from Walmart with the New Balances, and I put on a hat just to give y'all a good idea of how it's gonna look in the wild. I don't know what to say, but yeah, so simple outfit. And let's go to another one, because yep, I did another one with the long sleeve too. Get it. All right, moving on. All right, so all I did here was took the shorts off and put some chinos on, and look at that, boom. Just a nice little simple outfit. Oh god, always with the glasses with this guy. He's in party mode though. So this is a quick another little outfit for you guys to give you some outfit inspiration. Ooh, bam, 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 bam. I call this one Boston Cop tries to blend in with crowd, because that's what it looks like. But I like this outfit a lot. Threw the blazers on with some jeans. You know, if you want to wear some baggier jeans with it, I think that look just as good, just because the shirt's very baggy as well. And yeah, another super simple outfit idea. So I hope that video gave you guys a good idea of the Essentials brand and everything like that. You know, to help you make a better purchase decision. And if you like this video, don't forget to actually hit the like button down below and subscribe. And as always, I will see you in the next one.